Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token deleting 2 zeros and what will be the worth of 1 billion coins of Tectonic once this coin deletes 2 zeros. Now, Tectonic is currently trading with about 6 zeros at the time of recording this. Now, at the time of recording this, you need about $240 in order to buy 1 billion coins of Tectonic. But remember, you can invest what you can afford to lose. So at the end, everybody's gonna make profit, and we hope to see this coin at the top before the end of the year. Now, if Tectonic token deletes 2 zeros with your $240 investment, Tectonic definitely will be hitting about 9,900% increase in price, which simply means your $240 investment will be worth about $23,850. That is starting from the time of recording this, and that is a lot of profit. Just deleting 2 zeros out of the 6. There's a possibility that yes, this coin is definitely going to reach that level. Now, imagine deleting just 1 zero. I think you will still be making some thousands for yourself. So I believe Tectonic token with VVS Finance, with Crypto.com, or backing this coin very soon. We'll be seeing other crypto exchanges coming in, especially now that Tectonic started this year 2023 with an impressive increase in price and market cap. Or the market cap hit all the way from $15 million to $26 million. You can see people pump in money into this coin because they believe this coin is definitely going to increase, and I hope to see Tectonic token at the top. So please remember, if you want to buy and invest on Tectonic token, kindly invest what you can afford to lose, because that is the golden rule. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research, and we hope to see Tectonic token delete between 1 or 2 zeros before the end of this year. And I hope that the developers will keep working hard in order to get more exchanges to list Tectonic token.